Hello everyone, let's learn Bahasa Melayu by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 10. I'm going to explain about adjective of number. Chapter 10 or bab 10. Adjectives. Adjective of number. If it used in a sentence, the number is placed before the noun. The classifier follow the number is it also required. Example, without classifier, 3 ringgit, 3 ringgit. So the number is before the noun. 10 sen, 10 sen. 2 jam, 2 hours. Jam, in previous lesson, it means clock or watch, but jam also means hours. 4 hari, 4 days. With classifier, 3 ekor kambing, 3 goats. 2 buah kereta, 2 cars. 6 batang tiang, 6 poles. 4 ekor rama-rama, 4 butterflies. Another word is kupu-kupu. Kupu-kupu, unlike butterfly, it is smaller and brown color, while butterfly is colorful. So, this is classifier. Ekor, buah, batang. Ekor for animal. Buah for large and cubical object. Batang for rod-like object. Examples in sentence. Ahmad ada 5 ringgit. Ahmad has 5 ringgit. Seorang budak ada 50 sen. One boy has 50 sen. Seorang, se is from satu, one. Budak, kid or child. Seorang budak, one child. It's either boy or girl. Dia ada 10 kilo ubi kentang. He has 10 kilograms of potatoes. Kentang, potatoes. Keledek, sweet potato. Kami ada 20 buah buku. We have 20 books. Wati ada 2 ekor kucing. Wati has 2 cats. Words to remember. Tiang, poles. Coklat, chocolate. Gelas, glass, the tumbler. Liter, liter. Harga, price. Harganya, its price. Nya means he, she or it. If you attach to noun, it become possessive. His, her or its. But if nya, if attached to adjective, show the emphasis. Ubi kentang, potatoes. Kapur, chalk. Kilo, kilo. Kotak, box or carton. Minyak, minyak, oil. Lemak means fat. Like here, minyak masak. Masak is the verb, means cook. But here, minyak masak, cooking oil. Minyak sawit, palm oil. Mengandungi, vitamin E semula jadi. Mengandungi, base word is kandung, means contain. Contain vitamin E. Semula jadi, natural, contains natural vitamin E. Tanpa kolesterol, without cholesterol. Ratus, 100. Ribu, 1000. Berapa harga, how much. Berapa, how much or how many. Harga, price. Tongkat, walking stick. Projector. Projector. Here is the picture of nasi lemak. Nasi lemak literally means fat rice, but lemak here means rich flavor that comes from coconut milk. So it calls nasi lemak. Perbualan. Conversation. Berapa harga sebuah komputer? How much for a computer? Harga sebuah komputer RM3,000. The price for a computer is RM3,000. Berapa harga 10 batang rokok? How much for 10 cigarettes? Harga 10 batang rokok RM2.50. The price for 10 cigarettes is RM2.50. Berapa harga sebuah kamera digital? How much for a digital camera? Harga sebuah kamera digital RM2,000. The price for a digital camera is RM2,000. Berapa harga sebuah kereta? How much for a car? Harga sebuah kereta RM40,000. The price for a car is RM40,000. Berapa harga seliter minyak? How much for a liter of oil? Seliter minyak harganya RM3.50. A liter or 1 liter of oil, its price is RM3.50. Se is 1. Berapa harga segelas air tebu? How much for a glass of sugarcane water? Segelas air tebu harganya RM1. A glass of sugarcane water is RM1. This is sugarcane or tebu. Berapa harga sekotak mancis? How much for a box of matches? Sekotak mancis harganya RM1. A box of matches, its price is RM1. This is mancis, matches. Berapa harga surat khabar ini? How much for this newspaper? Surat khabar ini harganya RM1. This newspaper, its price is RM1. Berapa harga majalah ini? How much for this magazine? Majalah ini harganya RM4.50. This magazine, its price is RM4.50. Berapa harga sekotak coklat? How much for a box of chocolate? Sekotak coklat harganya RM3.80. A box of chocolate, its price is RM3.80. Berapa harga seekor burung ini? How much for a bird? Or how much for one of this bird? Seekor burung ini harganya RM12. One bird. This one bird, its price is RM12. Berapa harga sebuah kamus Melayu? How much for a Malay dictionary? Sebuah kamus Melayu harganya RM25. A Malay dictionary, its price is RM25. Berapa harga sebatang tongkat? How much for a walking stick? Sebatang tongkat harganya RM9. One walking stick, its price is RM9. This is tongkat, walking stick. Like this is tongkat ketiak. Tongkat, walking stick, ketiak, armpit. This is tongkat ali or long jack. Long jack tree. Pokok tongkat ali. Pokok is tree or plant. Tongkat ali, long jack. This is kopi tongkat ali. Long jack coffee. Exercise or latihan. Nombor 1 or number 1. The National Sports Complex has 4,000 seats. Kompleks Sukan Negara ada 4,000 tempat duduk. Seats, tempat duduk. Tempat, place. Duduk, sit down. Tempat duduk, sit. Nombor 2. The Smart School has 200 computers. Sekolah Bestari itu ada 200 komputer. Nombor 3. Salim's house has a swimming pool. Rumah Salim ada sebuah kolam renang. Swimming or swim, renang, berenang. Pool, kolam, or kolam also means pond. Nombor 4. My office has a laser printer. Pejabat saya ada sebuah pencetak laser. Cetak, print. Pencetak, printer. Number 5 or nombor 5. Our teacher has 3 boxes of chalk. Guru kami ada 3 kotak kapur. Nombor 6. That car has a CD player. Kereta itu ada sebuah alat main CD. Nombor 7. You have 3 large fish. Awak ada 3 ekor ikan besar. Large, besar, or huge, or big. Nombor 8. That school has 2 halls. Sekolah itu ada 2 buah dewan. Nombor 9 or nombor 9. I have no umbrella, but I have a raincoat and a hat. Saya tidak ada payung, tetapi saya ada baju hujan dan topi. Baju hujan, raincoat. Hat, topi. Nombor 10. One farmer has 12 cows and 30 goats. Seorang peladang ada 12 ekor lembu dan 30 ekor kambing. Nombor 11. The resource room has a projector. Bilik pusat sumber ada sebuah projector. Pusat means center. Pusat sumber, resource room in school. Sumber means resource or source. Okay, next, nombor 12. What is the price of that picture? Berapa harga gambar itu? Nombor 13. What is the price of this magazine or how much of this magazine? Berapa harga majalah ini? Nombor 14. How many pens have you? Awak ada berapa batang pen? 15. How many pupils has she? Dia ada berapa orang murid? Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.